our code book, we have to just assign it in the right folder. So I want to open code list in Excel. Let's see, or open Codebook in Excel. Let's see the Codebook. You see, so we have codes, we have code group 1 and 2. So each code, ATLAS.ti is showing us where it belongs. These codes, of course, they are red because I give them a color code, and that's a good thing about ATLAS.ti. You remember, I marked the codes as red. That came from the first question. So the codes that are marked as red are under theme 1. So what this ATLAS.ti is calling a code group, it's called a theme. So theme 1, we have active engagement. What is the subjective understanding of parental engagement? So an active engagement of parents in the classroom, establishing a community with the school at the center, having a great relationship with parents, holistic partnership between school and parents. So that's it. Then we have the second code group, or the second theme, engagement based on effective parent-teacher relationship. So what are the effective forms of parental engagement? It's engagement based on effective parent-teacher relationships, parents visiting the classroom, parents volunteering in the classroom, phone call with parents, social and community-based events, and those with a strong purpose. That's the kind of a code book that we get from ATLAS.ti. Basically, that's how we code and move from codes to themes in ATLAS.ti. I'm going to have other videos where we go deep into how to report the findings and how to even have more visuals or visualizations and all that. But basically, this is how we get codes, or we perform qualitative analysis of